Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey guys, a couple of days ago my village was hit by a bit of a disaster. A mine burst and it's flooded around 8 streets. 80 to 90 residents have been evacuated, and a torrent of water came through and caused a tremendous amount of damage. Now, a couple of things before we show you the footage. I've spoken to the residents. They are happy for me to share this footage. They allowed me to film their cars so they could see the damage that's been done. The Salvation Army are collecting for the village. The link is below. At the time of filming, they've already raised about £19,500. Now, I personally haven't been affected. I'm about 10 houses away, so I'm lucky, which I'm really thankful for. So, if you would like to donate, hit the link. The other thing to say is this channel doesn't make any money. It's not a money making channel, but if for some miracle it does, then that money will also get donated. Now, we'll run through the footage and check it out. Thank you very much.
It would do it to us.
Flood on Goshen Park. My poor neighbour's house. It's up my door. We're gonna hang fire till the fire brigade say we can get out. A drive, a garden. Oh my god, a drive. Oh, shit. Someone's shoe. This is the back of my house. Cal, be careful. Oh my god. Oh shit. Be careful. Fuck.
This house is going to Oh, I'll get whatever.
So that camper, is it?
Yeah.
I took the time to go to the garage as well.
That is deep mud.